families, another great way to practice math skills is to play games that use dice. And this is a big one because my son uses this one for his skateboard, and it's wax actually. But you can roll the dice and then you see what number it is. And again, they'll learn to eyeball it, 6, 4. And often when you use a game with dice, that means you have to take 4 steps on the game board. So there's lots of, you can make up a game. You can roll the dice and say, whoops, 6. It's time to do 6 jumping jacks or whatever you want to do. Or you can find games at the store that have dice. Trouble's one that kids like because it pops up. Sorry, Chutes and Ladders, anything that helps them with their counting one-to-one correspondence. Card games are also cool. So memory is a good game that helps with matching numbers, but it also helps with the visual spatial thinking. So you flip a card and you say, each person gets 2 cards to flip each turn. Do those match? No. So you have to turn them back around, and after a while you might remember where the number is. Wait, I got a 3. Boys and girls, do you remember where the 3 was? I think I do. Yay! So I take those away. Whoever has more cards wins. Another fun game that helps you understand more or less, or which number is bigger or smaller, is war. So I'm going to pretend like these are Ambrosia's cards, and I am going to pretend that these are Lillian's cards. And Ambrosia's going to flip the number 10, and Lillian's going to flip the number 8. So 10 is a bigger number than 8, so Ambrosia gets to keep these. Let's do it again. Ambrosia flips 4. Lillian flips 10. Oh, 10 is bigger than 4, so this time Lillian's number is bigger. And you play like that, and sometimes you might get the same number. I don't see any. But if you get here's some. If you get the same number, then you have to flip some more, and the person who gets the bigger number takes the whole pile. So that's a fun game to play. And grown-ups use the words, your number is bigger, or your number is more than my number, or less, or if it's the same, equal. Those are good math words. Other fun games you can play that use matching and math words are Uno or Crazy Eights. Fun card games that you can play to build your math skills, boys and girls. One more fun activity you can do at home to build your math skills is cooking. So this is easy. We just made trail mix. I've got lots of different ingredients. We mix it together and it tastes really good as a snack. But you can take your trail mix and you can dump it and you can do different things with it. You can count 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 marshmallows. You notice I'm sorting. Here are the almonds. I'm putting them in a pile. You can even graph. Let's see how many we have. 1, 2, 3 cashews. We don't have time to do all of them, but we can put them in a line and we can see which one has more. We're making a little picture graph. Boys and girls, be the magical fun learners at home with your families.